Smashed and missing side marker reflectors are a bit of a badge of honour for your camper trailer. It sort of shows that you're getting off the blacktop and doing what these things are designed for. But it means that your trailer is defective, which we don't really want. Luckily the replacements are pretty cheap and easy to fit, around 10 bucks a pair. But I'll show you how we can stop them being broken for a bit longer.
I just want the style like nobody got style like you. 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 Like you. You're getting me all worked up. Rhythm of your hip swing, dropping my heartbeat. You hook me with the velvet rope. People lined up wanna look, but they can't touch. Ooh, give me that heat. Looking for the action, causing a reaction. I just want a style like living in your mood.
To protect our reflectors from rock damage, I'm going to coat them or cover them with some clear tape. Now I've got this left over, it's paddleboard rail tape to protect the edges of your fiberglass boards. It's quite thick and rubbery and clear. So I'm going to put that on the reflectors. I'm pretty confident that that's going to do the job and protect them from rock strike.
The swagger that I want, the style that I need, baby, won't you give it to me? The power in your groove, I'm loving it.
Now the reflector has a slightly raised edge, so we need to cut our film slightly smaller so it actually fits into that raised edge. We'll also just need to take the corners off a little because these are rounded.
Nobody got style like you. 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 You. Nobody got style like 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 you.
Well guys, that's the job done. In less than 30 minutes we've addressed that defect with our trailer. I'll include part numbers and links for the gear we used for this repair in the YouTube description. I'll update the YouTube description in the future to let you know whether the use of the clear film has preserved the reflectors.
Nobody got style like you. Nobody got style like you.